The Deathwings gaming keyboard and mouse combo is a great package for the price. Everything in this combo is well made with quality materials and built well. The keyboard has a nice solid feel and the keys eagerly respond with a nice feel to the touch. One thing I can be very picky about when it comes to keyboards is the feel of the keys, but this keyboard has no problem in that department at all. The keyboard is backlit with a nice electric blue, giving a nice beautiful aesthetic contrast with the blue on black. The matching mouse is equally nice, with a nice solid feel in the hand, and buttons that don't have a cheap clicky light response. The mouse comes in a matching black and blue LED contrast that complements the keyboard nicely. The mouse has a DPI button that allows the user to change the sensitivity on the fly without having to stop their games to mess with the settings, which is always a much welcomed feature. Also included is a large matching mouse pad that provides a large surface area for any games you could ever want to throw at it. Overall, this is a great gaming package for the money. You really can't go wrong. On this one, pull the trigger. You'll be very happy that you did. This item was provided in exchange for an objective and an honest review.